Welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show how to fix game audio, sound, not working. Follow my steps. First step, click Sound. And go to Manage Audio Devices. Select your used audio device. Restart PC and play game. If that didn't work, click Sound. Go to Manage Audio Devices. Click More Volume Settings. Select your used audio device and check volume. Scroll down. Click More Sound Settings. Disable Not Used Audio Devices. Right-click your used audio device. Click Configure Speakers. Complete your setup. Click Properties. Click Enhancements. Check Disable all enhancements. Apply. Click Advanced. Try CD and DVD quality. OK. Close window. And restart your PC. If that didn't work, click Search bar and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Click Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Right-click your used audio device and update driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Click your used audio device and click Next. Click Yes. Close. Close window. And restart your PC. If that didn't work, right-click Sound and click Sound Settings. Scroll down. Troubleshoot common sound problems. Click Output Devices. Wait. Problem solved. Subscribe,